In today's video, we take a boat ride on Jenny's Lake in the Grand Tetons of Wyoming. In this video, you're going to see we went into South Jenny Lake Junction. That's where you park, and they have a ton of hiking expeditions you can do there. They have a whole loop for Jenny Lake, and that's like a 5-hour day if you want to do that. That's like an 8-hour hike. Well, Randy and I, we took the easy way out. We decided we were going to do Hidden Falls because if you've watched previous videos, I have to have an end game. I have to have something to my hike at the end to make it worth it to me. So we decided to take the shuttle boat over to the West Shore, right?
Yeah, which is beautiful.
Which is beautiful. So the reason we did the shuttle boat, it's a 4.8, almost 5-mile round trip from the boat shuttle to Hidden Falls. And if you take the shuttle, it's only a half a mile to the falls and a half a mile back to the shuttle.
On the water.
So, and you get this beautiful boat ride.
Right.
So, off we go. We get over to the shore, we take our half a mile hike up to Hidden Falls. Absolutely gorgeous. It's what they consider easy to moderate hike.
It's more moderate, I think.
Well, to the falls
to the falls now. Falls, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, to the falls it was easy.
The other
and
part.
then if you go to Inspiration Point from Hidden Falls, it's another half a mile. So we figured, hey, why not give that a try? So up we go. That was a little bit more moderate, and the elevation.
It's narrow and it's steep.
And a little rocky.
Rocky.
Yeah, so the
But
views, though, are phenomenal
they're amazing.
when you get up there.
Yeah.
So it's definitely worth it.
Try to smile, but my lips are dry.
Here, I'll wet them for you. So back down to the falls, and we decide to hike on back down to the
and catch our boat ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now what we didn't add here, it's $9 one way.
Each person.
Each person, and it's $18 round trip. So it would have been $36 for the two of us. No big deal. That's, you know, worth the investment to save us all that walk. So long story short, we get back to the boat shuttle, and there's a 3-hour wait to take
for their boat.
The boat back.
They got us over there quick.
Well, you can do the 4.8 mile hike in 3 hours. So I look at Randy and say,
No, you said, oh, it's only 1.2 miles
I did.
back.
I confused it.
And I went, oh, it's 1.2. We can do that. Let's go. And keep in mind now, we're standing in direct sunlight. There's no shade, and the line is not moving at all.
The boat shuttle, no.
So some guy was in line with us in front of us, and he's an elderly gentleman. He's like, come on, let's hike it back. And his team was like, oh, no way, we're waiting. And he was all gung-ho.
Like, team boat. We'll wait for the boat
This old guy can do it. I can do it. So I said, it's only 1 mile. We can bang that out in 10, 15 minutes. We'll be done. Yeah, no.
Well, about halfway in, I'm like, wait a minute. That's a 4.8 round trip hike, so which means it's like 2.4, not 1.2.
And how much
so
we already,
I'm not really
we had
sure
already
why
hiked.
I thought that.
It's pretty moderate. It's up and down, up and down.
It's all along the lake, though, so it's beautiful.
It is beautiful, but have bear spray because everybody
and water.
Everybody was telling us, and we did the usual. We didn't think we were going to be hiking, so we didn't bring any water. We did have our bear spray.
We had 1 bottle of water each, I think.
We were like rationing water.
We were rationing water.
Puffing and coming back. But
we are the epitome of things not to do when you hike.
Yeah.
And this is our hike back after paying $18 to ride the boat.
$36.
36 for the two of us.
The tourist trap.
Well, it's like
a 3-hour
wait.
And then you got a 3-hour wait to wait for a boat to get back.
So we can do 2.5 miles back in less than 3 hours. We're hoping.
Gotta love the government.
Give us a thumbs up.
So, and you would think, I'm like, oh, going around the lake is going to be no big deal. It's going to be nice and flat and just go right around the lake. It's no big deal. No,
there is some elevation to it.
Rocks and all kinds of stuff. But it was very heavily traveled. There's a lot of people on there, so.
Well, like you said too, the elderly gentleman, he ends up passing us. We're almost
He caught
back.
us. He caught us almost at the end, and the rest of his group had called him and said they just got on the boat. So literally, by the time we got back, when we got to the bridge, the boat was coming in that we would have been on.
Exactly. So, the time frame it took the boat to take us, the boat that would have taken us. It probably
took, what, an hour and a half, maybe?
Oh, I don't know. You're talking 2.5 miles we had to walk, so
but
I'm sure it was probably closer
took quite
to
a few
2 hours.
Yeah. We made it.
We did.
It was good for us, though. It's good. It's good to.
We enjoyed the walk in
nature.
Yeah,
sure that's did. I enjoyed giving money to the government.
That's it. Yeah.
I don't understand how you can get everybody over there, but then there's a 3-hour wait to get back.
Well, that leads me into another pro tip. Jenny's Lake is a very popular hotspot destination, so do it first thing in the morning.
Yeah, get it out early.
Get in there and do your hike.
I'll tell you what I would do.
Before it gets too hot, before it gets too crowded.
Well, here's what I would do, and I didn't know this beforehand. They rent boats there.
Yes, they do.
Like you can literally rent a boat.
Or
kayak, and it's not very expensive. No. You could literally rent your boat, drive over there, and do your whole thing.
Where you park? I didn't see.
They have a little spot for them right there. I'm sure.
I didn't catch that.
And then you could just get your own boat back. You don't have to wait for the government boat.
The government funded boat.
The government funded boat. So overall, we had a great day, other than having to walk back. But like I say, that's good for us anyway. It was beautiful. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, we had a great time. It's just the fact that we paid for it and we couldn't ride it.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.